not ikwerreGirl Achiru. And today I wanted to make yam pottage, but I found that I only had 2 pieces of yam in the freezer and I was determined to have yam pottage. So this is what I did. There's my 2 pieces of yam. Okay, so you can make anything you want to eat. Got my dry fish out. This kind of dry fish, because that's what you can find. Soak it in hot water so that it gets soft. I got my dry pepper. I got crayfish. Yeah, this is a little bit of the ingredients, not too much because it's a quick meal. You got your Maggi cube with a star. You got salt, and of course palm oil, Nigerian palm oil. Okay. So put the yam, put all your ingredients in. It's a quick meal, so I'm really hungry and I need to get this done. So yeah, put your fish when it's soft, your palm oil, your salt, your peppers, your Maggi, your crayfish, cover it and let it simmer. DiGa! ikwerreGirl! Yeah, it's coming up. Okay. By the way, the yam was in the freezer, so because I had to, preserve it. Yam is expensive in this country, Anyway, as you can see, it's taking shape, taking much shape. I can't wait for this to be ready. I'm so hungry. And the kids are in bed. There you go. Almost all done. Very quick, very easy. Just let everything simmer. I know people have processes of how to do this, but sometimes just put everything in the pot and let it simmer. Trust me, it will come out really tasty, as you can see. There you go. Yam pottage, lots of fish, everything. Enjoy. DiGa! ikwerreGirl! Don't forget to subscribe.